Hello students, good morning. Well, today we will continue the same chapter as we have done yesterday. Chapter number 4, Fibres to Fabrics. Okay, so today we will see next topic, choice of fabrics. Choice of fabrics. How can we choose the fabrics? Here, over the years, the quality of fabrics used for our clothes has improved and the variety too has increased. As over the years, the quality of fabrics used for our clothes has improved. Like nowadays, fabrics play an important role not only in the way we look but also in how we feel. Fabrics are available in different colors and the colors we wear often depend on the season and climate. Means we use white and light colored fabrics in summer as well as in the desert to stay cool. So we can say different types of fabrics make us feel comfortable in different seasons. A woolen sweater keeps us warm in winter, while a cotton shirt makes us feel comfortable in summer. So we can say fabrics that are choice according to the conditions. That means fabrics play an important role in different season, different weather, different climate. Okay. So what makes all these fabrics different? Here we see woolen sweater keeps us warm, whereas cotton shirt makes us feel comfortable in summer. But how? What is the reason? How do we choose from the variety of fabrics available? Why don't we use same types of clothes? Because most fabrics are made from fibers. The reason is most fabrics are made from fiber. We first need to understand the characteristics of different fibers. This will enable us to make the right choice of fabric. Here, the main reason is enable us to make the right choice of fabric because we have to understand the characteristics of different fibers. Here, choice of fabric. The clothes we wear are made from fabric and are stitched to form different types of garments. While most of the clothing we wear today is stitched, some can even be tied or draped around. Identify these types of clothing, either worn or used as headgear, not only from India but from around the world, and list them in the column given below. So guys, please you can research the internet to get the names of various clothing like shirt. This is stitched. Comments worn by both men and women. So please you have to select other two types of clothes. Okay. So next point we will see types of fibers. We have already seen that there are different variety of clothes that are made of from fabric, but here now we will see how many types of fibers. Obviously there are two types of fibers. First one is natural fibers and second one is synthetic, that means man-made. Okay, so let's see for suppose take a close look at the towel you use at home or even at the fabric of the garment you are wearing. You might observe a loose thread on it. Of course, you might observe a loose thread on it. Gently cut it out. That means make sure you don't ruin your towel or clothing. Untwist the thread. What do you observe? It is made up of small fibers. Thread means small fibers. Fibers means you can say thin strands or filaments of thread that can be woven to make cloth or fabric. Fibers means thin strands or filament of thread. You can say dhaga. So you could also hold down one end of the thread with your thumb and with your nail slowly scratch it lengthwise. Look at here, lengthwise. You will observe the thread slowly breaking into tiny fibers, means a small fibers. So we can say that fabrics are made up of fibers, small fibers, tiny fibers. So here fibers used to make fabric are of two types, natural and synthetic. Synthetic means man-made. Natural fibers, these are fibers that are obtained from plants and animals like cotton, jute, core, flax and hemp are all natural fibers obtained from plants. But wool and silk are animal fibers. These are also natural, but we obtain it from animal body. Okay, you can see here the cotton fiber, core, wool, jute, flax, and silk. So all these fibers obtained from plants, and wool and silk fibers obtained from animals. Now second types of fibers is synthetic fibers. For many years, natural fibers were the only fibers available to make fabric. But today, fibers are made from other materials. These are called synthetic, or you can say man-made. Like rayon, nylon, polyesters, and acrylic are all synthetic fiber. You can see here, these are the synthetic fibers, that means rayon, polyester and acrylic, nylon, etc. And shortly we can say fibers are two types. First one is natural, obtained from nature, and second one is synthetic, produced from chemicals, means nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. Natural fibers that are obtained from plant fibers, okay, as well as animal fibers. Clear? Now let's see the difference between natural and synthetic fibers. So guys, please, you will read these points to understand the difference between natural and synthetic. Okay, you have given here some specific points that are differentiate between natural and synthetic fibers. Okay, so guys, I hope you will understand this shift speak, and please write all the difficult words in your notebook neatly and learn properly. Okay, that's all. Thank you.